What's really happening in Abbotsford? Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into Abbotsford's real estate scene with our September 2024 market update. From major construction news to the latest property trends, we've got everything you need to know. So whether you're thinking of buying, already own a home, or just love keeping up with the market, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Now, before we get on to the show, disclaimer alert. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not financial or professional advice. With that being said, let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about some big news shaking up the construction industry in BC. This week, the BC Construction Association, BCCA, and the Vancouver Regional Construction Association, VRCA, have proposed creating a new Ministry of Construction in British Columbia. Why does this matter, you ask? In the middle of a housing crisis and with elections around the corner, this proposal could be a game changer for BC's economy. Think about it. The construction sector currently contributes a whopping $27 billion to BC's GDP with over $160 billion worth of projects underway. Yet, there's no dedicated government ministry to represent this vital industry. The BCCA and VRCA suggest that a new Ministry of Construction could streamline processes, cut through the infamous red tape, and tackle the industry's most pressing issues. This could mean more efficient construction processes, impacting everything from property prices to investment opportunities. It's not just about numbers, it's about the future. As we edge closer to election season, all eyes are on this proposal. Could we be on the verge of a significant shift in how construction is managed across the province? All right, now let's shift gears and look at the latest market trends for Abbotsford, Mission, North Delta, and New Westminster. We're about to see which markets are heating up and which ones are cooling down. First, let's look at the overall property prices in these four cities. Starting with Abbotsford, property prices have seen a dip, down by 3.5%, bringing the median price to $660,000. The decline is even more noticeable in Mission, with prices dropping by 11.3%, bringing the median to $765,000. Meanwhile, North Delta has experienced a smaller decrease, just 1.8%, settling the median at $1,260,000. But it's a different story in New Westminster, where property prices have gone up by 6.4%, pushing the median price to $769,000. Now, let's break down the changes in home prices for each city. In Abbotsford, things have been quite stable, with home prices holding steady at $1,131,000. On the other hand, Mission has seen a significant drop of 14.5%, bringing the median down to $837,500. North Delta isn't too far behind, with a decrease of 9.9%, with the median price now at $1,360,000. And in New Westminster, there's been a slight uptick, with home prices rising by 0.8% to a new median of $1,637,500. Let's move on to the apartment market, which tells a different story across the cities. Abbotsford is showing a positive trend, with prices climbing by 6.2% to reach $447,500. In contrast, Mission has seen a slight dip of 3.2%, which brings its median price down to $450,000. But if we look at North Delta, there's been a notable jump. Apartment prices are up by 19.6%, with a new median of $610,000. Meanwhile, New Westminster has experienced a minor decrease of 0.3%, settling at $646,000. Finally, let's take a look at the townhouse prices across these markets. Abbotsford's prices have dipped slightly by 0.5%, bringing the median down to $642,000. Meanwhile, Mission is bucking the trend with a small increase of 1.4%, moving the median up to $714,900. Over in North Delta, however, we're seeing a significant drop of 12.2%, with the median price now sitting at $795,000. And in New Westminster, there is a slight decrease of 0.7%, bringing the median to $893,500. Moving from numbers to something a little more local, what's happening in Abbotsford this week? We're looking at partly cloudy skies with occasional rain showers. So whether you're headed to work or planning a day out, don't forget your umbrella. Now, shifting our focus to a new and exciting development in the heart of Abbotsford, a hidden gem that's turning heads and redefining modern living. Gem Condos, brought to you by Quantera Developments Limited at 32,174 George Ferguson Way. Gem brings fresh energy and contemporary flair to Abbotsford's city center. Gem is a newly completed condo community offering 97 units across 6 stories with prices ranging from $409,900 to $679,900. It features a mix of 1 and 2 bedroom options, making it ideal for first-time homebuyers, young professionals, and investors. Are you worried about long-term investment? Don't be. Gem comes with a comprehensive February 5th 10-year warranty by Pacific Home Warranty, covering everything from materials to the structural envelope. You're getting not just a home, but a sound investment. Whether you're a first time buyer, a seasoned investor, or just curious about the market, don't hesitate to reach out. We can't wait to help you find your perfect home. Now let's dive back into the numbers, but this time with a focus on investment. Picture this: you find a property listed at $431,000 and decide to put down a deposit of $21,550. That leaves you with a mortgage of $409,450, which at current rates translates to a monthly payment of about $2,214. If you decide to rent the property, you could potentially bring in $1,578 in rental income each month. While that rent won't cover your entire mortgage payment, leaving you with a shortfall of $762 per month, don't let that discourage you. Sure, that means an initial annual return of minus 3.5% on your down payment, but let's look at the bigger picture. Fast forward 10 years and you could have built up approximately $75,769 in equity. If the market trends favorably, your property could appreciate significantly, potentially reaching a value of $1,348,213. If you decide to sell at that point, your total profit after cost could be an impressive $917,213. Now, when you combine the equity you've built, the rental income over time, and the property appreciation, your total return could amount to around $933,987. That's a whopping 4,234% return on investment over 10 years. And even if the market grows more conservatively, with your property reaching around $774,773 in value over the next decade, you'd still see a solid profit of $343,773 if you decide to sell. No matter where you are in your real estate journey, whether you're a first time buyer, a seasoned investor, or simply exploring your options, reach out to us. We're here to help you. All right, tech lovers, this next segment is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming with a device that will elevate your home entertainment experience: the Roku Premier HD slash 4K slash HDR streaming media player. So, what makes the Roku Premier so special? Well, let me break it down for you. First, the Roku Premier offers access to a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV options, including Roku Originals and over 200 free live TV channels on the Roku channel. That's right, hundreds of channels at your fingertips, all in one place. So if you're thinking about upgrading your home entertainment system, why not consider the Roku Premier? It's affordable, versatile, and designed to provide a premium streaming experiences. And before we wrap up, let's talk about something fun and delicious happening in Abbotsford: the Taste of Abbey Fall Food Festival. From September 13th to 22nd, our beautiful city will be celebrating the rich flavors, diverse culinary creations, and incredible local ingredients that make Abbotsford a food lover's paradise. It will be a 10-day extravaganza during which you can savor unique culinary experiences crafted at the peak of the harvest season. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to explore something new, the Taste of Abbey Festival has something for everyone. So grab your friends, family, or foodie club and head to the Taste of Abbey Fall Food Festival. Let's celebrate the fall harvest together, savor new flavors, and support our local culinary talents. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Sunny in Van. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more market updates, insights, and everything you need to know about real estate. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Sunny out.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver, with Sunny as your host.